Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Current air temperature comes in at 73 degrees. We have 100% relative humidity because temperature and dew point are exactly the same. We'll head into the afternoon with a little bit more sunshine, I think, after we mix away some of these morning clouds. But right now we do have some cloudiness around. By around noontime, I think our temperatures will start to be climbing into the 80s solidly, and by 3 p.m. we'll be in the 90s, low 90s most likely. And then we'll start to watch a couple of showers kind of drift up from the south or from the southeast, and those showers will start to bring us some rainfall in inland areas, particularly in the second half of the afternoon and into the evening hours. Those showers will probably become a little bit stronger as we head into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock time frame, boost up the rain chance to about 30% at that point. And then they'll linger as they move out into Gulf waters until around midnight or so, off and on. So the rain chance is pretty good, not all that great like we have seen in past weeks, but still for this time of year, pretty good. Tomorrow, the rain chances will be going down just a little bit as high pressure continues to build in, and a sinking dome of air tends to suppress our showers. Not much on radar right now. Morning commute should be fine. Those were the clouds that were left over from yesterday's storms. They have since moved on, but some of the residual cloud cover is still around. That, as I said, will be mixing away with a little bit of heating after dawn. High pressure brings us the easterly wind flow right straight through the weekend. The only difference being that as this little trough of low pressure to the north washes away, high pressure gets to expand and build across the area. When that happens, our rain chance goes down just a little bit. Easterly wind flow will still give us the same kind of motion and timing of these storms, but there'll just be fewer of them once again. Mostly sunny skies with late thunderstorms, slightly drier over the weekend, and calm tropical weather for us here on the Sun Coast. We have two systems which we watch. One which was Leslie, probably will develop into a subtropical system as it meanders out here in the open Atlantic, but is no bother to anybody. And then Tropical Storm Kirk. Kirk is not showing very good organization at this hour. Now, yesterday, it was pretty clear what was going on. The center of the storm was racing away from the actual thunderstorm development. And now it's hard to even find the center, which is located over here. So this is a storm that is in the process of decay. And over the course of the weekend, even though it has significant winds now at 50, it is only forecast to be alive for another, probably 24 to 36 hours before it just decays away in the Caribbean. Still far away from the Florida Peninsula, it will have no effect on our weather whatsoever. Southeast wind switching to the west, switching to the north, switching back to the east at about 5 to 10 throughout the day. And the forecast calls for several days in a row of less rain chance as we head into the weekend. And then next work week, rain chance back to about 30 or 40%.